What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Today we're going to be talking about HTBX on the stock ticker. This stock has a share float of 32.56 million, which is just above our optimum of below 30 million, which is fine. So there's still some volatility in here. Now, I did not see any positive news on this stock today. If I'm wrong, feel free to comment below and let me know. But please be nice about it. I appreciate that. Now, let's just talk about the technicals on this one today. We can see that in pre-market there was not much action, but when the market did open, we popped up a little bit here to 59 cents, pulled back, and then we did run all the way up to 83 cents, just about over 83 cents, and we hit some resistance and pulled back to 64 cents, and now we're sitting right at 70 to 69 cent level here in after hours. So that's definitely something to think about. Some big range here, some big volatility today. Definitely an interesting play. We're going to be talking about the 15-minute chart. Let's go ahead and draw our support and resistance first thing, like always. We'll go ahead and put our resistance right at 80 cents just to make it easy. Let's go ahead and put our support right here at 65 cents. And let's put our median right here at 72.5 cents. Perfect. Now, if you're holding stock, you're looking to trade it bullish, you want to go long tomorrow, you want to scalp it, whatever the case may be, it doesn't matter. The first thing what I'm going to be looking for a bullish play on this stock. But what I want to see first thing in the morning is that bullish momentum return. I want to see us break above the 72.5 zone. Once I see us break above this zone, that will get me interested in the trade. I'll have my alert here at 72.5, so that way I know exactly when that happens. The next thing I want to see is us retest off this zone. So I want to see a break of 72.5, and I want to see a retest off that zone. Once I see those bullish buys coming in, that big momentum, I want to see some shooting stars, I want to see hammers, I want to see level 2, big buys on there. You got to have multiple confluences, and then once you have everything, whatever your strategy is, clicking, after you see the retest here and you see it coming back and it's fully alive, that's when we have our order ready. That way, when the momentum does kick in strong, right above that pullback point is where I set my order. So when that momentum kicks in, I ride it to this next resistance up here with ease, right? Sell 3/4 my position, hold 1/4 my position from here, wait to see if we break above this level at 80 cents, right? If we do break above, I do the same thing here, but now I'm risk-free with some profits. I wait for it to come back down and retest off 80. I wait for that bullish momentum to return. I'm watching level 2. I see a huge 50K share buy, and buys are going crazy, nothing but buys, right? That's when I have my order ready. When that order's ready, that momentum is going to kick us up to this next resistance up here at about 90 cents. So that's the two moves that I look for. And obviously, I would add 3/4 of my position back here, watch it go up, sell 3/4 of my position here, make extra profits, and still be holding a quarter risk-free to see if it continues higher. But we won't talk about any more moves, but these are the two main moves that I would look for tomorrow. Definitely main factors on this stock, the 72.5 level and the 80 cent level. Those would definitely be good ones to watch. Obviously, we got to break above 72.5 first to even be interested in this. So definitely have your alert set there. Now, if you're looking to go short on this stock, I know a lot of you guys and girls do not short, but that's fine. It's good for you to at least learn. That way you can understand how people that do short think, right? What we want to do is watch out for this break below 65 cents. That way, when we break below here, 65 cents, that's a bearish indicator because that's our main support. The next thing that we want to watch out for is that retest off 65. And if we do get rejected here at 65 cents, that's when the shorts are going to get really interested, because that showing that panic is coming into the market, and that's showing that we can't break back above this level. And what most shorts are going to do is have their orders right below the pullback point. That way when the momentum kicks in, the panic kicks in, they'll ride it down to this support down here at 56.55 cent levels. So that's the short play that I look out for or take if you're actually shorting. Obviously more people are going to be going long. Definitely watch out for the 72.5 level. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit that like button. First thing, subscribe, click that bell notification. That way you get a new notification every time I come out with a video. And share this with your friends on StockTwits, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it for the work I put into these videos, for doing them for free for you guys. I do it because I'm honestly trying to help out the people who are new at trading and anybody else who is struggling. Just simplify everything, simplify your life, simplify the charts, and everything will come to you just like it does in real life when you take everything at a grain of salt. Don't take things too seriously. Thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful day.